Morning, folks. It's the last day of 2020. The Canadian government wanted their plates back because my amazing wife got me new plates. Do I have the best wife or what? So apparently she's been saving her pennies ever since I got this project. And it's just perfect that my plates arrived on the last day of the year. Bugsy is far from complete, but it's really going to make his mark this coming year, I think. So I have obviously installed my hood ornament and my awesome new plates. So I think it's very important now that I go for a wee test drive. Now, I also adjusted my timing a little bit to see if that takes care of the stuttering and the starting. So we'll see how that works. And I've added more coolant and hopefully get rid of any air bubbles in the heater, so we'll be testing the heater out as well. Right, let's go for another drive. Do I have my keys? Yes, I've got my keys. Whew, it's not getting any warmer. Right. Definitely started better. Right, I checked all my wires and I couldn't find anything loose, so if that doesn't go off, it'll be something else. But let's head home. Yeah, there we go. No, I'm not doing a burnout. Can't afford the tires. So that'll be my last drive of the year. And what a year it's been. Fantastic. You know, the biggest thing that's annoying me now when I drive, apart from the spluttering, is the clunking and the clanging. I don't like those noises. It doesn't feel solid, and it is solid. It's just the doors are not secure enough, the trunk lid isn't secure enough. I need welting in all the fender panels where they join. Anywhere that metal meets metal, I need a rubber gasket everywhere, because it's kind of it's bringing me down a bit, because it feels like an old clunker, and it's really not. It's a solid car. Right folks, it's been an amazing year for me, terrible for a lot of people I know, but many achievements this year. Obviously I built a car, got it safetied, got it road legal, fixed my truck, which I didn't think I could do. Well, I knew I could do it, but I wasn't confident, but you guys helped me, encouraged me, so we got it done. And also this year became a Canadian citizen. And I think there was something else. Yeah, survived, and I hope you guys do too. So possibly I'll be doing a live stream later tonight, bring in the new year. Hope you join me just for a informal chat, and we'll discuss what you guys are doing this coming year and what I've got planned. Should be fun. Right, take care everyone. I'm going to enjoy my coffee and say cheerio to 2020. Take care everyone. Bye bye.